Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I am happy to announce that the CJomatic plugin was updated and it is working again because Commission Junction deprecated an API that they had that the plugin was using, and it was not working anymore, and today I updated it and it is working once again. So to configure the plugin after the update, let me show you the steps that you are required to take. So this is the Commission Junction personal access token field. So here in the plugin's main settings you will have to enter this. To get it, hover over the question mark here and click here. Once you are redirected here, click on authentication, personal access tokens, and register a new access token by giving a name here. After you will get the access token, copy it and paste it here. You will also need the Commission Junction website ID and Commission Junction CID. So to get the website ID, hover over the question mark here and click here. After the page will load, which might take a while in my case. Also don't forget to sign into Commission Junction if you are prompted on this page. Okay, so it loaded. Now go to account, websites, and here you will have listed all the websites that you added to the API. If you did not add any website yet, click on create property, and here you will be able to add your website. Afterwards you can copy its ID, its numeric ID that is listed here, and paste it in the Commission Junction website ID field in the plugin. Afterwards you also have to get the CID. If you go back to the initial page where you were redirected, or hover over the question mark and click here, you will go to your Commission Junction affiliate dashboard, and there you will see this number on the top right part of the screen. Copy it and paste it here in the Commission Junction seed. Afterwards click on Save Associate Info and you are ready to use the plugin in its updated form. Now we can go to Search to Posts plugin menu, and here we can create some importing rules. Let's first check the website, the test site I am using, and it is empty. And let me import some test posts. So let's say I want to import some laptop related posts, maximum number of posts 1, and also here I will have some advanced settings. So return also products from affiliated advertisers. This is regarding to the advertisers which you are not affiliated. So if you click here on your dashboard on advertisers, you will see that you have to sign up for many advertisers affiliate program before you can start promoting them. So this can be done by listing advertisers and clicking on these green buttons here, apply to program. So after you click all these buttons, you will see that you will submit your application to advertisers and they will approve you. And as you can see, here are my active advertisers and I can promote products from these. And if I check this chat box, I will promote also products that are not from advertisers from which I am approved, and I will not get an affiliate commission in this case. So I recommend that you leave this checkbox unchecked. Now you can also disable featured image importing. This will speed up the importing process greatly in the plugin. So let me check this for demonstration purposes to show you guys how quickly the plugin can import content in this case. You can also set a minimum retail price for products, maximum retail price for products. This can be filtered in the plugin settings. You can import content from advertiser IDs. You can get the IDs from here, from your dashboard in Commission Junction, and these are the numeric IDs that are shown before each advertiser. if you enter this number here in the advertiser ID section, then the plugin will import products only from the advertisers you select. Serviceable areas, you can enter serviceable areas that you wish to get products for. Currency, you can select USD, euros or pounds or all. And from here on there are generic settings for the plugin that were also before. If you want to get and check a full tutorial video for this plugin, please check the previous video from this playlist, because I already detailed the full functionality of the plugin there. So now let us go ahead and save settings and import a test product to our site, just to see how the plugin will work from today on. So remember, I disabled the affiliate, the featured image for the plugin, and here it is. It created a new product once again using the new API from Commission Junction. So yeah, this is all for today. If you haven't heard of this plugin, check it in this video's description, and until next time, stay safe. Bye bye.